What is up? Happy new month, everyone. It's September 1st. I got a new schedule. I post Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Cheese doodles. Whistle. Uh, hey, I just came over. I thought it was time to eat. So yeah, I came over. Yeah. Oh, it's time to eat? Okay. Oh, sorry. I was just using this long tube to look through it. Yeah. Oh, wait. Let's scream in it this time. What's going on, everybody? The NFL's officially back. The Lions are playing the Packers at 4:25 p.m. today. It took so long, but it's finally back. No! You're kidding me! Don't talk about the Lions game in my comments. The Detroit Lions played so bad in that game. Everything that could have been bad. Oh my God, guys! Thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. I appreciate all of it. You know, only 10 months ago, at the start of this year, I only had like, I don't know, 6 or 7 subscribers. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for. What's up, guys? I got a magic trick to show. There's one hot sauce packet in my hand. Watch me make 2 appear. There's now. Yeah, I can do that. Oh, I just dropped my phone. Oh man, it's broken now. What would you do if I broke into your house and started throwing a bunch of hot pockets at you? Like this. What's up, everybody? I'm gonna try. What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna try Chucky's Punch. All right, let's go try it out. It looks really dark red. Ah. Mm, mm. I bought you new shoes. Hey, your DoorDash is here. Just kidding, I live here. Time to take out the trash. Watch me make this Dorito disappear. That's magic right there. I got you a new hat. Check this out. I got a pickled sausage, and it's supposed to be 400% hotter than any other pickled sausage. Today I'm going to try it right now. Oh, ah, ah. Uh, Yo, I just came here. I'm sorry, it's 3 a.m. I just came here 'cause do you have any nasal spray for me? Hey, it's the 21st night of September. Oh! This must be your mail right here. My favorite chips. I'm gonna keep these. It's time to take out the trash. Check it out. It's a fillet of fish right here. This is chapstick. Yeah, I'm running out of video ideas. Hey guys, so the MLB playoffs are starting Tuesday next week, and I'll tell you guys my prediction for the World Series and who's gonna win it. I'd say it's gonna be the Detroit Tigers versus Milwaukee Brewers. I know the Detroit Tigers have been struggling; they're saving all their talent for the postseason, and the Brewers have been good for like the entire second half. So I'm gonna take the Tigers to win in 7 games of the World Series against the Milwaukee Brewers. That's my World Series prediction. I don't care if you think it's bad. Wait, I I thought I just passed this. What? I must be lagging. All right, I'll try this. Dude, what is going on? Oh, hey, is this a doorbell? Wow, this is a doorbell. It must be the ringleader of your house. Yeah, that was not funny. I'm gonna teleport to your back porch. I told you I could teleport. Hey neighbor. So I just finished cutting off all your branches and cutting down all your trees without you asking. And where's my reward? Oh my gosh, a chocolate bar. Thank you so much. You're the best. Call me if you need me ever again.